12 must-have gadgets in 2025. Technology continues to weave itself deeper into our lives, reshaping how we interact with entertainment, health, fitness, productivity, and self-expression. These cutting-edge devices are more than just cool gadgets. They're practical tools built with intelligence, personalization, and adaptability in mind. Let's dive into these exciting innovations, redefining our daily experience. Number 1. Boardrop, where board sports meet gaming. Through the use of an interactive board controller that is constructed from real snowboards, Boardrop presents a novel idea in the gaming industry. This unique platform, which was designed for gamers, athletes, and fitness fanatics alike, uses precise sensors to track your every motion, from ollies to carves, and it does so as accurately as possible. Alternating between different simulations allows you to improve your balance, coordination, and timing, regardless of whether you are interested in snowboarding, skateboarding, or surfing. Because each session is transformed into a physical workout, it is the perfect combination of having fun and being fit. Because it is built in an accurate manner, your talents in the game will actually translate to sports in the real world. To make matters even better, you have the ability to personalize the responsiveness, resistance, and aesthetics of your board to correspond with the sport and skill level that you are working on. This is not merely a game. Rather, it is growth. Number 2. Doppel, digital miniatures for RPG fans. Doppel provides players of tabletop role-playing games, RPGs, with a cutting-edge method to showcase and interact with their characters while playing the game. Put an end to the hassle of transporting fragile miniatures that have been hand-painted. This display system, known as Doppel, is a dual-screen LED-lit display system that comes equipped with built-in speakers and motion sensors. It has the capability to display your role-playing game avatars in vivid clarity, replete with animations and sound effects. It synchronizes with major role-playing game platforms and is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. Alternatively, you have the option of selecting from a collection of hundreds of animated models or uploading your own character ideas. Each and every game session may be transformed into a cinematic experience, thanks to the fact that it allows you to add custom voice lines and theme music. Your characters will remain safe, colorful, and always ready to go, regardless of whether you are participating in a gaming night or giving a presentation at a convention. Number 3. L-Ring, the AI ring that controls your world. To turn your finger into a smart controller, the L-Ring 2 is a wearable device that is driven by artificial intelligence and is extremely portable. Not only does it track your steps and notifications, but it also incorporates gesture recognition, real-time vocal translation, voice-to-text transcription, and even functions as an air mouse. You may use it to manage a wide variety of electronic devices, including computers, tablets, smart TVs, augmented reality glasses, and more, simply by flicking your hand. During presentations, it can be used as a laser pointer. During free time, it can be used as a game controller, and it can be used as a voice recorder for taking short notes. ChatGPT can be instructed to perform tasks such as summarizing lengthy articles or navigating applications without the need for a screen. It is as if you are carrying around your very own personal assistant with you at all times. Number 4. Neutral Freedom X, the modular ergonomic chair. Simply put, the Neutral Freedom X is not merely a chair. Rather, it is an intelligent seating ecology. It is designed to provide you with comfort, productivity, and flexibility, and it gives you the ability to totally customize your sitting arrangement. In order to accommodate extended periods of work or periods of rest, the seat depth, back tilt, armrest location, and leg support may all be adjusted. As a result of its modular design, it may be transformed into a chair for working, a chair for relaxing, a seat for meditation, or even a comfortable corner for your pet. Multitasking workers and home office warriors will find it to be a great choice because it is equipped with integrated features such as a laptop tray, 2 cup holders, a swivel base, and scratch-resistant fabric. Its sleek appearance makes it a perfect match to any room arrangement, and its breathable cushions guarantee that the temperature is kept under control. Number 5. Aurora 20-in-1 Docking Station, the ultimate work hub. Aurora is a docking station taken to an entirely new level. It combines the utility of a multi-port hub with the power of a full desktop setup. Supporting Thunderbolt speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. It features 20 ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, multiple USB-C and USB-A outputs, and PD charging up to 85 watts. What makes it unique is the built-in 128 terabytes of storage and a 15-minute UPS backup battery that prevents data loss during sudden outages. Whether you're a creative professional, developer, or remote worker managing high-performance workflows, Aurora ensures seamless performance and absolute reliability. You can even power dual 8K monitors or a single 4K at 60 Hz with ease. Number 6. KSYS K1, your AI-powered personal trainer. KSYS K1 brings a personal fitness coach into your home, powered by AI. With zero installation and no monthly fees, this compact fitness station folds away to just 3 square meters, yet offers over 140 unique workout classes. From strength training and cardio to yoga and mobility, it adapts in real time to your performance. Advanced motion sensing analyzes your form, correcting posture and alignment on the spot. Progress tracking is automatic, and body composition metrics are updated with each session. It's like having a fitness studio, health tracker, and game console in one device. KSYS K1 even supports motion-based gaming for added fun during rest days. Number 7. Carbon AI Backpack, expressive, smart, and safe. The Carbon AI Backpack isn't just about carrying your stuff. It's about expressing yourself. Its full-panel LED display lets you create and animate text, graphics, memes, and alerts in real time using AI tools. Whether you're biking, walking, or commuting, it also doubles as a safety device with on-demand turn signals and emergency alerts. Built for urban travelers and cyclists, it has 43 liters of storage space, enough for laptops, books, and gear, with organized compartments for tech and travel essentials. Whether you're showing off your mood or ensuring visibility on the road, Carbon AI keeps you seen, safe, and stylish. Number 8. Pico Torch, tiny light, massive power. Pico Torch may be small, but it's no ordinary flashlight. Measuring just 1.3 inches and made with a tough titanium shell, it provides 215 lumens of powerful flood-style illumination using the same CRE bulbs found in stadium lights. Perfect for keychains, emergency kits, or EDC setups, Pico Torch is waterproof, impact-resistant, and comes with a magnetic base so you can attach it to any metal surface. A single charge via USB-C gives you up to 2 hours of runtime. Whether you're fixing a flat tire or navigating a campsite, this micro floodlight has your back. Number 9. Defi Smart Pill Bottle, AI for your health. Defi reimagines medication management through AI. This smart pill bottle automatically logs every dose, tracks medication expiration, and sends personalized reminders. Even without a smartphone, the device ensures you're on schedule and compliant with your treatment plan. If you miss a dose, it will call your phone to remind you. This makes it ideal for seniors, caregivers, or anyone managing complex prescriptions. Built for future-proof healthcare, Defi turns a basic necessity into a smart safety net that promotes consistency, safety, and peace of mind. Number 10. Max Pump. 3. The ultra-portable air pump. Max Pump. 3 is a pocket-sized, rechargeable air pump with serious power. Weighing only 22 grams, it fits in the palm of your hand, yet inflates objects at 500 liters per minute with 5 kilopascals of pressure. It's perfect for inflating mattresses, pool floats, and sleeping pads in under 70 seconds. Also built in is an 11-hour LED light, making it a double-duty tool for campers, hikers, or festival goers. USB-C charging and minimal storage size make it ideal for any emergency or recreational setting. It's the smallest pump with the biggest impact. Number 11. K.SYS Modular Sling Bag Series. The KY series is a modular sling bag system built for daily adaptability. Whether you're heading to the office, hiking trails, or flying across the globe, this bag changes shape to meet your needs. Attach or detach storage compartments using TG code quick lock buckles to expand or shrink the capacity instantly. Its crossbody or over-the-shoulder configuration makes it comfortable and secure. Available in sleek black and white finishes, the design is minimalist but durable. Ideal for techies, adventurers, or commuters who need efficiency without compromising on style. Number 12. CocoBay P1, Flosser, eco-friendly and ergonomic. CocoBay P1 revolutionizes flossing with an elegant, sustainable twist. Built from an all-metal, POI ergonomic frame, this flosser automatically restores itself after each use, ensuring hygiene and eliminating waste. It offers 90 flossing sessions per cycle, with each session sanitized for safety. Ideal for environmentally conscious users or frequent travelers, it features a locking mechanism to hold floss in place and fits into any toiletry bag with ease. You get premium dental care anytime, anywhere, without contributing to landfill waste. These forward-thinking devices show how the line between lifestyle and technology is rapidly disappearing. Whether it's gaming with physical realism, controlling your world with a flick of your finger, or making medication adherence smarter, the future of everyday living is interactive, intelligent, and surprisingly accessible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.